Top 10 places remote jobs exist. These are just 10 job boards out of hundreds of thousands of job boards where you can find remote jobs. In no particular order. Number 10, remoteforme.com. Find a job, remote job, JavaScript, DevOps, sysadmin, database, graphic designer, tech writer, marketing, product specialist. Number 9, justremote.co. If you're looking for a software engineering position, this job board will allow you to do that. Allow you to find your right software engineering position. Number 8, whoishiring.io. Do you want to know where they're hiring? Do you want a location? Allows you to search all over the world for remote jobs. Number 7, remotive.io. Find a job anywhere in the world. Reach 10,000 remote jobs to remote workers a month. 100,000 remote workers a month if you post a job here. Yeah, I'm sure there's more than 100,000 people in the world who are remote workers. I'm sure it's close to like 10 million, probably more than that, probably closer to 100 million people in the world who remote work. Number 6, angel.co. Startups that are getting ready to just push their product out and sell it, they need people to do work for them. And at angel.co, you can get a startup job that's working remotely. So the benefit of this being that whenever the company goes public, if you're part of it, you could get a nice payday. Number 5, Power to Fly. Power to Fly lists companies and if they have remote jobs or just open jobs in general. Microsoft, Dell, Deloitte, to say a few. Number 4, workingnomads.co. If you're looking for a sysadmin job, this is a place I'd go for on. The good thing about this site is it tells you if it's grayed out, it means the job's no longer available, which could actually help you because you don't have to apply for it. Number 3, remoteok.io. This one has a lot of cool jobs. Software development. The good thing I like about this is it actually says this week. Has jobs this week. It also breaks it down by type of job, such as software development, customer support, non-tech. It also gives you a link to top remote companies and also as well as remote work statistics. Number 2, weworkremotely.com. If you're looking for that programming job, if you're looking for that customer support job, it's all nicely here. It's all set up nicely for you to look. It says if it's a new job or not. It'll tell you if it's featured. Oh, and if you're a company, you can pay about $300 a month to get your jobs out to about 100,000 or more. 250,000 it says, rather it says 2.5 million, so you can get your jobs out to 2.5 million people monthly. Number 1, skipthedrive.com. The good thing about this is you can browse by category. If you're looking for IT, you're looking for a Python developer, you're looking for a .NET developer, marketing. If you're a nurse, yes, they do have jobs for nurses, by the way, just so you know. Call center, that's a pretty popular job there. They have accountants, they have management, customer service, data entry, plug and chug numbers into some sort of data. They have engineering, say like you're a project manager, an engineer, a professional engineer. Linux administration, sales, software development, SQL DBA. So these are just 10 job boards in a number of job boards that are out there. And I'm sure there's thousands of job boards out there that focus just on working from home. It's going to become a trend in the next couple of years. More and more people are working from home just so they can save time and they can save money. Companies are doing the same thing. They want people to work from home because it saves them time. Less building that they have to account for, less overhead. And with everything IT, everything technology, everything on the internet, why not? So these are just 10 of the job boards that are offering remote work. If you're looking for a skill and you want to learn those skills like Python and Java, go here to Udemy, udemy.com. If programming is not your thing and you want to learn something different about IT, head over to my course. Learn backup, recovery, and storage in 5 days and get an IT job. No experience necessary. No prior IT knowledge necessary. Guaranteed to get you a job. And with Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee, you have everything to gain.